Welcome to this impromptu Q&A. Had a question about this problem out of the book, and it's related to calculating for a special assessment for road paving. When it comes to this type of problem, you have to think about who owns on both sides of the road. The fact that somebody owns on both sides of the road. So if here's the road in the middle, and then we've got Jennifer over here as per the problem. It says she owns a property that has 100 feet of a street on one boundary. So her road frontage is 100 feet. Terrible road I've drawn here. But here's the road. She has 100 feet. Her front footage is 100 feet. And so they're going to, obviously the road is in terrible shape. As you see, I've intentionally drawn it poorly. The town paves the street, freshly paves it. The town agrees to pay 25% of the cost. Thanks, Chapel Hill. That's nice. So the town's going to pay 25% of the total cost. What is the total cost? It says the cost per running foot is determined to be $54. So how much is Jennifer's assessment? How much does she own of road frontage at 100 feet? She owns 100 feet at $54 a foot. That's $5,400, but we're not done. That's how much it's going to cost to pave it, the part in front of her property. The 100 feet of road, 100 feet of street in front of her property is going to cost $5,400, but the town is going to pay 25% of that. So if the town pays 25% of $5,400, that means the town's going to pay $1,350 of that. So that leaves us with what? That leaves us with $4,050 that Jennifer does not have to pay, because we're not done yet. Because she's not the only one that benefits from this section of street. It's not just Jennifer that gets to drive on this street and owns property bordering it. Somebody over here owns it too. Therefore, we need to divide that $4,050 by 2. So Jennifer's portion is $2,025 because she shares this portion of street frontage with the person across the street. So when it comes to these paving special assessment problems, you've got to remember you're not the only one that has road frontage of this exact same amount or this exact part of the street. There's someone across the street that owns. Now, they might own more. This person over here might not have a lot exactly the shape of Jennifer. They might have a lot that's double, but they're still responsible for this portion too, in addition to this extra bit. So what matters here is that Jennifer doesn't have to pay the full $4,050. She gets to share it with the person across the street. So you got to divide by 2. That's why 2025 is the right answer. Hope that helps. Let me know of anything else you might have.